Hey everyone, is your two iPhones receiving same text messages? And you want to stop it on your office or personal phone? Let's follow my steps to stop it as soon as possible. First, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos about your Apple devices. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Look at the Apple profile name at the top. Then click on the iCloud setting. A screen will appear like My Device. Now tap on the See All option and find the messages in iCloud setting. After this, click the toggle next to Use on this iPhone. This will stop future message conversations from backing up and syncing issues with other Apple devices. Follow the same steps on all your devices. If it still won't work, follow my other settings to change on your device. You have to disable text forwarding. To do this, open the Settings app, then scroll to the Apps section at the bottom. Next, find the Messages setting and look for text message forwarding. Here, turn off the device to which you don't want text to be forwarded. So friends, I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.